we have a box opening video for a luxurious brand, a luxurious designer brand to be exact, Gucci. What's good, gang? Richie Blues back with you, back for another fragrance video, and this time we got a designer scent box opening video for the luxurious brand of Gucci. That Gucci Guilty to be exact. I've been hearing good things about it. I've seen this up in Marshall's. Yeah, they be having some steals up in there. You gotta go in there and check it out. So when I seen it, I ain't got no Gucci, so I was like, let's go ahead and grab it. Let's add this to the collection. Let's see what it is. So you know I had to do a video for it. Now, before we crack this bad boy open, let's find out what's inside. Top notes: lemon, bergamot. Middle notes: orris, strawberry, orange blossom. Base notes: musk and patchouli. I got a lot of fragrances. They got patchouli and I love it. So this sounds like might be a winner here, but we gotta check him open. Gotta check it out and see what we got here. The cores are citrus, fruity, and musky. So this could be a signature scent for you. So we're gonna crack it open and we're gonna see what we got here. We finally get to break the seal. Ooh, let's see what we got. All right, so flat box, flat matted design. Okay, the Gucci. So, ooh, look at this bottle here. Oh, I like this gang. Look at that bottle here. Oh, I likes that. This is nice. This is nice. All right, so let's see. Let's go ahead and ooh, is this a screw top? Oh, it's just another. Oh, I have to. Oh, there we go. Nice, secure top. Yeah, this is nice and snug. This is good. This is good right here. Oh yeah. I got the classic Gucci emblem. Pour Homme, Gucci Guilty. Okay, and if you can see here, we also got the Gucci. Is that right? Okay, there we go. This is nice. I like this. All right, gang, here we go. Let's see how the atomizer is. Let's see what we got. Let's hit the test. Boom. All right, here we go. Yeah, this is nice and clean. Feel some muskiness up in here. Yeah, I'll get the muskiness. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're gonna have to check this out. We're gonna have to see how long it lasts. But right now, the opening. Very nice. I like this. Okay. I'm glad this is in the collection right here. Now I heard that has moderate projection. I hear that the ladies love it. When they get a load of this, I might wear this tonight right here. But say it's a day-night scent. But you know what? Fragrances, colognes, perfumes, you can wear them whenever you want. But it's always wise to know when is the best time to maximize performance of the fragrance, because some fragrances you'll wear in the winter time, it's supposed to be wearing in the summer, disappear like that. Vice versa, you wear something supposed to be in the winter, but you wear it in the summer, very, very heavy, cause problems. I hear some people get headaches about it. So you also want to make sure when exactly you wear them, when you decide to wear your particular colognes. But this one right here, it does smell like a good everyday scent right here, good signature scent right here. Yeah, I like this one. We definitely got to check back on the longevity, on how long it lasts. definitely get this out in the streets and see how it performs out there around them AC streets. Oh yeah, I like this one, gang. I like this. I like this purchase here. And you know, this one here, you can find this, as I said before, I found this in Marshall's. It was for a medium price. Like you'll find it more cheaper on Max Aroma, Fragrantica. You'll find those a little more cheaper, about $60, $50. I purchased this one for about $70 at Marshall's. Don't go to Macy's, don't go to your big time retail stores because you're gonna pay a pretty penny. I've seen them as high as 110. And that's like, wow. For the same bottle, for the 1.6 mil. Yeah, you don't want to do that. So, this is going to be the video for the day, gang. We're going to check back. I'll give you a check up, a little update a little later. Let you know what the performance is and see how it rolls. Until then, make sure you smell good. You know what? I got to find a new slogan, a new outro slogan. I don't have a slogan for going for the outro. But hey, if you got any particular suggestions, hit me up in the comments below and we'll see what we got. Until then, like and subscribe. Gucci Blue. I'm out of here. Well, I've been recording that whole time. Killer me.